Good morning, viewers at home. My name is Raphael, and I am your mathematics teacher. Actually, this class is for SS3, but we are going to do a kind of revision for the topic on SS2. The topic for today is angle of elevation and the depression. Angle of elevation and depression. So at the end of this topic, students should be able to solve some special problem involving angle of elevation and depression. So this topic has already been introduced in your SS2, but let's look at some questions involved in this topic. So what is actually angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is the angle between the normal line of sight and the point of observation above the ground level. So this is a ground level. Somebody will be down here looking at somebody up here or talking to someone up. The person is communicating to that person with an angle of elevation. This is the normal line of sight of the person. For example, let me demonstrate. This is my normal line of sight. If I am looking up, communicating to someone up, I am talking to that person with a certain angle of elevation. So the person talking to me back or communicating to me back is communicating to me with an angle of depression. For example, look at a building. Somebody is up the building talking to someone down here. This person is talking to this person with this angle phi, which is angle of depression. This is the normal line of sight of the person. The person down here is talking to this person up. This is the normal line of sight of the person with angle theta. This is angle of elevation. So if you take a look at this, from alternate angle, you will observe that alternate angle means that phi is alternate to theta. Phi is alternate to theta. So that is why we say that theta is equal to phi. So why do we study this angle of elevation? Some of you tomorrow are going to be a pilot. You are going to be an engineer working in a company. Sometimes you'll be sent to the site for you to observe some things. So looking at those things, you are going to be observing them with a certain angle of elevation and depression. So let us look at a simple example. Example 1. A man sitting on top a tree at a point 15 meters above the ground. So the man is sitting on top of a tree 15 meters above the ground, so which means this is a tree. So this is where the man is sitting. From the top of the tree to the down of the tree is 15 meters above the ground. Observe that the angle of elevation at the top of the tower. So the man is actually not looking down. The man is looking at the tower somewhere. So he observed. Let's reduce this so that it will be okay for us. This is a tower. A tower is always taller than a tree. A tower is also taller than a building. So this is the top of a tower. The man is here. Observe that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So the man here, I told you that angle of elevation is up. And this is the normal line of sight of the man. So the man observed with this angle 30 degrees. So let's put here the tower. Find the height of the tower if the distance between the man and the tower is 51√3 meters. So this is the tower, and the tower and the tree are on the same horizontal level. This is the ground level. So this is a tower. Let's call here R, let's call here P, let's call here Q, let's call here V. So TQ is the height of the tower. Now, you're also being told that if the distance between the man and the tower is 51√3 meters, so from the man to the tower or on this horizontal ground is 51 root 3 meter, which you can also say that here is 51 root 3 meter. So therefore let's resolve and find what we are looking for. The question says find the height of the tower. So find TQ. So we have to find the height of the tower. Now, if you will agree with me that if here is 15 meter from R to P is the same thing as V to Q. So if here is 15 meter, it means from here to here is also 15 meter. So we need to find the height here. So TV. So let's call it small h. Now, since we are looking for small h, and we have the here as 51 with 3. So from our soccer tour is used to solve questions on trigonometry. From soccer tour, now we look at which one is going to be relevant for us. Sine, S stands for sine, opposite side over hypotenuse side. This is a hypotenuse side, and this side is opposite. Adjacent over hypotenuse, opposite over adjacent. So the one we are looking for now is the height from the top of the tree to the top of the tower. So that is from here to here, and that is this small h. And we have the horizontal side, which is 51 root 3. So opposite adjacent. Opposite adjacent. So which one will go tan? So therefore, tan is opposite over adjacent. So therefore, we now say tan 30 degree is equal to opposite over adjacent. That is small h over 51 root 3 meter. Now, if we cross multiply, you will see that h with times 1 to give you h equal to tan 30 will multiply 51 with 3. So that will give you tan 30 bracket 51 root 3. So what is our tan 30 in a special angle? Tan 30 is 1 over root 3 bracket 51 root 3 meter. So if you open the bracket, you see that 1 over root 3 times 51 root 3 meter. So root 3 can cancel root 3, and we are left with what? 51 meter. Therefore, the height from the top of the tree to the top of the tower is 51 meter. So, but that's not the answer to our question. The answer to our question is they ask us to find the height of the tower. So you will agree with me that the height of the tower, that is TQ, is equal to TV plus what? VQ. So we are looking for TQ. What is our TV? Our TV is this small h that we have gotten. So remember, your TV is small h that we have gotten, and the answer is 51 meters. So that should be 51 meter plus. Now VQ is 15 meter because the height of the tree and the height from here to here is 15 meter. So 15 meter, and when you add two of them, 51 plus 15 will give you 66 meter. So that is it. Alright, thank you for listening. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can send the questions to me in my WhatsApp number. I will communicate with you there. I thank you. In our next class, we are going to solve some complicated question because this one is very simple. Thank you.